you're thinking politics, right? Now, if you don't want to own them for political reasons, I say fine. But if sending your kids to college matters more than that, then you probably should consider both of these stocks in weakness. On the brick and mortar side, there are a lot of names I like, including Gap Stores, which is now starting to click on all cylinders, has a string of strong earnings beats, soaring consensus for this year and next year. GPS. Technology, I know there's a lot of chinks in the armor right now, but it's still the most powerful part of our economy, and it's only going to get stronger. We've got a wave of innovation coming from artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things. It's going to creep deeper and deeper into our lives. Now, Seagate Technologies has been the big winner this year. I like the stock, but I will caution this, along with Western Digital, they're extremely volatile. Red Hat and Adobe, they just posted amazing earnings, and they pulled back since then. You might want to look at them, and obviously you want to own a chip maker as well. I think you must also own a winner in consumer staples. I love Estee Lauder a lot, EL. I love the story of Estee Lauder, how she built the company, and I like what they're doing right now. I also consider to say be overweight industrials. Make sure you have exposure to these defense contractors. They're going to continue to make a lot of money. And I've been talking material names. Make sure you have exposure there as well. Now, next week, we're going to see a reset of sorts. We're going to get a bunch of brand new economic data, including the jobs report on Friday. I'm personally looking for and rooting for a strong number, even strong wages. I'm looking for that. I want it. Now, listen, if the idea of pay raises on Main Street scares the elites on Wall Street, so be it. We need that ultimately to get this market higher. Now, March was a reminder that stocks don't go up in a straight line, but I think they'll keep the pace with our growing economy, and I say it would be a shame for any American not to have a piece of the action.
Well, inflation.
It's interesting how Fox News is covering this, and you give love to tech, but no talk about cryptocurrency. And to kind of put this in perspective, it's interesting that, they are talking about these technologies that in a way kind of relate with cryptocurrency, but in a way it's completely unrelated. But my main question I want to ask my audience, and why this hasn't been done, is, they have to pay 3%. A lot of these companies are using credit cards. So going the crypto route seems like it would be a great option in lowering their fees, especially if they're able to liquidate it into cash right away. And obviously, so why hasn't Amazon or Netflix, both of them, why have they not utilized this? And in a way, a lot of these cryptocurrency projects are pie in the sky. I don't understand why a major company hasn't just decided, hey, we're going to create a cryptocurrency, we're going to pump the price. And freaking Bitcoin Cash. If Bitcoin Cash can be the number 4 cryptocurrency, why doesn't one of these, big tech guys just create their own? I would like to see your comments, your opinions, see what kind of discussion, and I'll try to bring this up in a future video. But it's really interesting to see that none of these big companies have moved into the crypto space. And it's funny how the mainstream media has completely kind of forgot about crypto, or occasionally they'll bash it, but it's been slow. So making it hard for us YouTubers to share or comment on content. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Happy Easter, and I will talk to you guys soon.